Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka Rai. Hope you all are doing great. Before I start the video, you all have to like the video and subscribe my channel to get the notification about new videos. If you are having any query, you can write in my YouTube channel comment box or you can ask in Webex class also. Let's start. Student, let's start today's video. This is your chapter number 2, mail merge part 1. So let's understand actually mail merge. You know that mail merge is a very important and essential feature of Microsoft Word. So we can say that mail merge is
option in which you can write a letter once, but you can send the particular letter to many people just by changing the address. Okay, this is the mail merge. First of all, you can write a mail and you can merge the address with that mail and you can send to many people. Okay, so it will save your time because no need to write the letter again and again. For example, if you want to write an invitation message for the birthday, okay, for your birthday party, and you want to invite your 50 friends, if you will write manually 50 times you have to write down, but if you are using the mail merge option, only once you can write the letter body and you can change the name and address of your friends as many you want and then print and you can send. Okay, so this is very beneficial. Now let's move to the next slide. First of all, children, please understand it. Let me adjust it. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. So student, there are three main steps in the process of mail merge. Okay, what are the three main steps? First of all, you have to create the main document with merge field. You have to create the main document. Okay, then you have to create the data source. Data source means address, and then merging the data source with main document. These are the three main steps: main document, data source, merging the data source and main document. Okay, these are the three main steps. After that, now I will show you step by step. First of all, you have to, you can see this, click on mailing tab. Which tab you will click? Mailing. You can see this mailing tab. Okay, this is your mailing tab. You will click over there and then you will click on start mail merge. Which option you will click? Start mail merge. And then you will click on step by step mail merge wizard. Okay, remember the step: mailing tab, start mail merge, and then step by step mail merge wizard. After that, when you will click, this type of window will open. Okay, so you will click on letter option. Which option you will click? Letter. Okay, when you will select the letter option, after that you will click on starting document. Okay, when you will click on starting document, these three options will come. You will click on the first option, use the current document. Okay, after clicking the current document, you will click on select recipient. Recipient means address. Address list you have to make, you have to start making from this option only. When you will click on select recipient, another dialog box or you can say navigation pane will come and you have to select the third option, type a new list. Okay, type a new list. As you will click on type a new list, one option will come, create. You will click on create option. Okay, when you will click on create option, beta, then this type of, you can see this address list box will come. I think it is clear to everyone. Address, new address list box. Here you can see this type of options are coming. Okay, these are the rows coming. Here you can add the address as many you want, 50, 100. Now you can start writing from here. You can select the particular field in which you want to enter and then write down. Okay, if you want to enter the new data, you have to click on new entry. Don't click on OK. OK you will click when you will going to save the document. For every new entry you have to click on new entry. When you will click on new entry, your cursor will appear on the next line, then next line, then next line, like this. Like you want to add 10 address. So you have added here. Now you want to complete your address. list. So you will click on OK. अब आप बेटा जैसे ही OK पे क्लिक करते हो, okay, then what will happen? This type of save address list box will come. Okay, here you will write the name, फाइल नेम. जैसे आपने अगर बर्थडे इनविटेशन बनाया, सो यू कैन राइट बर्थडे एड्रेस लिस्ट. if a school is making for the PTM, so the school can write PTM address list. Okay, so that is depend on the particular situation, that which type of address you are going to write. अब आपने यहाँ लिख लिया बेटा फाइल नेम. now you will click on save option. Okay, once again I want to show you this, that first of all you will write the address here, as many address you want. By new entry, clicking on new entry you can add, and then click on OK. As soon as you will click on OK, this box will appear. This is just to save your file. So you will write your file name and then click on save option. After that, what will be the next step? You will click on write your letter. Okay, now you have to write the main document, write your letter. Abida, any letter you can write, like just for example, like I'm celebrating my 12th birthday on Saturday 6th May, my party will be not completed without you, do come. Like this, a small letter you can write. Okay, if a school is going to write for PTM, then all the teachers are hereby informed that school is going to conduct PTM on that particular day, please come and attend the PTM, like this. So when your letter will complete, then you will click on address block. After completing your letter, this is your main option, address block. When you will click on address block, then again your letter will appear and it will ask you where to write the address. अब बेटा आपको वो position select करनी है where you want to display the address. If you want to display at the top, then you can bring your cursor here. If you want to display at the bottom, you can bring your cursor here. Like I want to display at top, so I have bring my cursor here and I have click on address block, so the address block will appear here. After that, you can see when I will click on preview your letter, address block को सेट करना है मेन डॉक्यूमेंट में, एंड देन क्लिक ऑन प्रीव्यू योर लेटर. जैसे ही बेटा आप प्रीव्यू योर लेटर पे क्लिक करते हैं, देन यू कैन सी in the place of address block, what is coming? Address is coming. It means your main document is merged with the address. Clear to everyone? Address block was there, now address is coming. If you are writing 10 address, so how to display all other address? You can say this. From this backward, you can say this, forward and backward options are there. Like you have written 10, so 10 recipient will come here. You can go back also, you can come previous also. You can click here and one by one your address will display on the main document, and after that you will click on complete the merge. So this is your main mail merge. Main steps are there. Okay student, please try to do it if you are having the system with you. Otherwise, go through the chapter, you will surely understand. I will try to recapitulate it also in the revision part. Okay, so we will continue in the next video with